Whoa, hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today we got something special. This is Huawei PuraXMax foldable phone with stunning vibrant orange color, and this time we have 12GB RAM plus 512GB ROM edition. So next, let's do a quick unboxing and hands-on video about this new device from Huawei. So after we open the box, the phone is in front of us with a stunning orange color. And this was the first Horizon ultra-wide smartphone. And also underneath the smartphone, we can find here, it's an accessory box. So, okay, we find this is the first accessory box. We find a transparent TPU protective case. It's slim, transparent, and custom fit for the PuraXMax shape. And this is the warranty card and a quick guide for the device. So nothing special, and this is the clean TPU and a bit hard protective case. And also let's check another accessory box. Okay, this is SIM card eject tool, and also inside this box, so we find the compact white GNA style charger, and also the USB-C to USB-C cable. And this is the 66 watt supercharger, the wired charging, and also it support this time 50 watt wireless fast charging. And this is the braided high quality white color type C to type C cable. Okay, nothing special. And also no wireless headphones, just the essentials for the flagship model here. And this is the smartphone. So let's remove the smartphone protector and check the design of the device. Okay, whoa, this time we got the vibrant orange, the glossy glass back with subtle vertical texture, ceramic camera ring, premier, fingerprint resistant. And if we fold it, it's almost square like a small passport and notebook. And dimensions is about 120, 85, 11.2 millimeters when fold. And the screen, external screen, 5.4 inch, 1848 by 1264, and 412 ppi, and 3500 nit. And if we unfold it, the dimension is 166.5, 120, and 5.2 millimeters. And the weight is just 229 grams. And also the internal display is 7.7 inch, 2584 by 1828 resolution, 412 ppi. Peak brightness is 3000 nit, and support both internal and external. Support 120 Hz LTPO adaptive refresh rate. And the storage support to 12GB LPDDR5X for standard edition, and 1TB ROM, support UFS 4.0. And the chip this time they use a Kirin 9030 Pro for 7nm EUV process and Antutu score over 2.3 million. And also the operating system they use the HarmonyOS 6.1 supporting Xiaoyi contextual AI and multi-window collaboration. Also it have an ebook note mode, and for the horizon of the foldable phone is perfect for larger screen office work and content creation. This is display and refresh rate, and also we can change from the light to dark from different mode. And for the battery, it's use a 5700 mAh high silicon Android battery. And the charging, as I mentioned, 66 watt wired fast charging. You can charge it at 45 minutes from 0% to 100%, and also it supports 50 watt wireless charging and also reverse charging. And also was the first wide horizon foldable phone. We can compare it with another nice foldable phone, Oppo Find M5. So we can check. The screen philosophy is different for the Oppo Find M5. They use the traditional horizon fold. The inner is 8.2 12 inch, and for the Ultra is 6.62 inch. So also we can check the size and weight. For the PuraXMax, just 229, and if we fold it, it's 11.2 millimeters. For the 5M5, it's also light foldable phone, a big size as well. It's also 229 grams, but if we fold it, just 8.93 millimeters. So it's a thinner folded. When we fold it, and then we can check the size and dimensions different. And so we can see we can have more space if we use we can check the Oppo 5M5. But for the Huawei PuraXMax, is folded, it's wide and short. If unfolded, it's near A4, great for productivity and video. And also we can compare it with the iPhone 17 Pro Max, also orange color. So this is the screen. Okay, it's shorter but wider, just like and also the thickness. For iPhone 17 Pro Max, the size is 163.4, 78, and 8.775 millimeters, and also the weight is 231 grams. So for the shape, it's tall and thin, just like standard smartphone. But for the Huawei PuraXMax, it's totally different. And also we can find the design about these two orange phones are different. One is matte back panel, and for the Huawei, it's a shining glass with a special texture. And also, next we can check the camera about the Huawei PuraXMax. This time, for the camera system, they use a real triple camera system. It's a 50-megapixel mid camera, f1.4 variable aperture. It supports OIS, and the 50-megapixel telephoto, 3x optical zoom, support OIS as well, and also a 12.5 megapixel ultra wide. For front, the inner is 8 megapixel, and for the outer is also 8 megapixel. This is the details. And we can definitely find, if we take the picture and after several seconds, it will automatically be optimized by the AI, so it gets more detailed. So this is the Huawei PuraXMax. Okay, also let's go to check the iPhone 17 Pro Max. We check the camera difference. Okay, let's take some pictures. And for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, is used for the 8 megapixel main camera f1.78, and for the 8 megapixel 4x telephoto, and support 8x quality zoom, and also for 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. So for the daylight iPhone also accurate, but I think it's a bit close to neutral colors. But the Huawei we can find is warm, vibrant, punch color, and more dynamic range, great details. The variable aperture adds flexibility. And also for zoom, we can find the totally different. iPhone 4x optical, Huawei's PuraXMax 3x optical, and iPhone 4x quality sharp, but in limited range. But the stronger strong parts comes from the Huawei. It's a low light zoom performance. YYB sensor give more light than the traditional sensor. Okay, so this is the difference. So for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, it's best for videos, I think. For the photos, it's just the middle, natural photos and reality. The Huawei better, I think, for low light and zoom in dark, vibrant colors, flexible aperture. This is also very nice, and also we can use the foldable features to use it as a mirror, and also we can hold it like you TVC, like this. It's can yes, can use the like we can use the foldable screen as a touch panel and control it, zoom in, zoom out, take pictures. So this is add more fun to the photo phones. Very interesting. You can use the software easily. Night. Okay. Okay. So yes, we can close it and swipe from different mode very fast. This is Pro mode. It also provides other slow motion, high resolution, slow motion. So this is a super powerful camera from Huawei, and also we can have some macro lens test. Wow, nice. Okay, take a picture for the macro. Nice. We can get the details in the real test. Okay. Oh, this is details we can get. Oh yes. Also with AI, gets more. Wow. Yes, this is a macro. This is a macro, and next I will take the phone out of the room and to check the another part. For this part, bye, and then whoa, okay, back again, and now we should we'll take another camera comparison about Huawei PuraXMax with the iPhone17Promax. Okay, so we can enjoy it for this part, and we can check the difference for the zoom in and the periscope and the digital zoom. Okay, you can enjoy it.